Meet the all-new 2026 Volvo EX60, a game-changing electric SUV that's redefining what a premium EV can be. Born electric and built on Volvo's latest technology, the EX60 is designed to deliver range, performance, safety, and intelligence like never before. From its sleek Scandinavian lines to its bold SUV stance, the EX60 brings Volvo's signature design language into a fully electric future. This is the first Volvo built on the all-new SPA3 architecture, a purpose-built EV platform that maximizes efficiency, strength, and driving dynamics. One of the biggest highlights? Range. With multiple powertrain options, you can enjoy up to 810 kilometers on a single charge in the top-tier variant. That's one of the longest ranges in its class. And when it's time to recharge, the EX60 supports ultra-fast charging, gaining hundreds of kilometers of range in just minutes. Step inside and you'll notice a cabin that's both clean and tech-forward. A massive touchscreen puts everything you need within reach, while Volvo's new Huygen core computing system powers next-level responsiveness and intelligence. It even comes with Google's Gemini AI assistant, letting you control navigation, entertainment, or car settings with natural voice commands. Just speak like you would to a friend. Safety has always been Volvo's DNA, and the EX60 raises the bar again. Advanced safety systems, a reinforced structural battery pack, and cutting-edge driver assist technology work together to keep you and your loved ones protected on every journey. Performance doesn't take a backseat either. Instant electric torque across the lineup gives you smooth, confident acceleration whether you're cruising city streets or hitting the highway. The 2026 Volvo EX60 isn't just another electric SUV, it's a statement. It blends Scandinavian design, cutting-edge tech, electrifying range, and legendary Volvo safety into one package ready for the future. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.